Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless reading for you. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan, so let's see what you need to know right now. Message for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. And also, kung interesado kayo sa private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's up? What you need to know? Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayon? Pisces. Wow, 3 of Wands. Pisces, may bala ka bang pumunta sa ibang lugar? Mag-abroad? Ayan, so maaring ito ay mangyayari na. This is also about expansion. So pwedeng ikaw ay yung iyong career, business, nag-e-expand, umuunlad. I also see someone na merong namimiss. Meron kang namimiss na person na malayo sa'yo ngayon. This can be your romantic person or someone from your past. You have the 7 of Pentacles. May umaasa. Okay. Umaasa. Uy. Love life ang energy ng Pisces. Meron dito naghihintay. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with na naghihintay kayo magkausap, magkaayos. Meron kasi rito ang hindi pa nasasabi na emosyon, feelings na kailangan i-discuss. Para kasi nakukulangan pa kayo. Nakukulangan kayo dun sa sinabi sa inyo or nakukulangan kayo dun sa nasabi nyo dun sa person na yon. Maari kasing iba sa inyo long distance relationship and you are longing for your person. Parang gusto mo sana nandito na siya. Actually, malapit naman na, no? Magkikita na kayo, magkakasama na kayo. Yung iba naman, if you are manifesting a business partnership o kaya contract signing, meron kayong hinihintay na papers, documents, approval ng visa, kung may bala kayo mag-abroad or mag-relocate abroad. So, it's coming. Kailangan lang maghintay-hintay. Be more patient. Let's see what else. You have Judgment, which is transformation, rebirth. Nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo ngayon, Pisces. You are becoming a better version of yourself. Hindi ka nakagaya dati 2 years ago. Nag-iba ka na in a good way. May mga unhealthy habits kang nililet go mo na. At kung ano yung alam mo na makakabuti para sa'yo, you are keeping that for yourself. You have the 6 of Swords. So, someone is moving to a new direction. So, yung iba may paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng lugar, trabaho, or you are walking away from a toxic situation. Or toxic environment. This can be a relationship or isang sitwasyon sa trabaho or career mo. Kasi, ayaw mo na ng ganun, no? Mas gusto mo ngayon tahimik na buhay, wala masyadong stress. You have the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you are also going to focus on your finances, yung inyong stability, career ninyo, business ninyo, and also we are more competitive ngayon in a good way, no? So, mas competitive ka. Maaring competitive ka sa sarili mo na mas marami kang kayang gawin or mas pinupush mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo inaakala na kaya mo palang ma-accomplish. So, you are setting higher standards para sa sarili mo. Let's see what else, Pisces. Oh my, new beginnings. Pag nakakita ko ng new beginnings, any energy about new beginnings, nakaka-excite, 'di ba? Oo, kasi may bago. Something new, something I feel like this is part of your transformation, rebirth. bagong ikaw. It's a brand new you. Pwedeng bagong pananaw sa buhay, bagong trabaho, bagong career. Yes, because you are finally taking action. Hindi ka na yung parang naghihintay na lang kung kailan may magbago sa buhay mo. You are taking action. You are being in control of your life, your situation. Some of you are healing from your past. Any connection, no? Relationship. Pwedeng romantic relationship, pwedeng sa family. You are healing from that. Dahil nga gusto mo nang mag-move on eh. Ayaw mo na ng stress, ayaw mo na ng mga bagay na iniisip mo na mabigat sa kalooban. You want to heal from that. Oh my God. Oh. Double healing, heart healing. From some of you, meron kayong patatawarin. Siyempre, pag nagpatawad tayo, it doesn't mean na ibabalik mo sa buhay mo yung person na pinatawad mo. Kasi pwede ka naman magpatawad ng hindi na ninyo kailangang magkasama pa ulit. Ibig lang sabihin nun, you are letting go of the pain, hatred, yung mga bagay na, yung mga sama ng loob, ganon. Kasi gusto mo nga mas maging magaan yung pakiramdam mo. You want to focus on improving yourself and be the best version of yourself. Okay, let's see what else. For Pisces. You are very confident. Fearless, assertive, malakas ang loob. Malakas ang fighting spirit mo. You're so brave, matapang. Emotional force. So, opening up. So, I feel like, meron kang haharapin. This can be a person na iniiwasan mong kausapin in the past kasi hindi ka pa ready na i-open yung heart mo sa kanya. Maging emotional or maging tawag nito. Basta yung maging emotional, 'di ba? Yun yung iniiwasan mo. Pero ngayon, matapang ka na. Matapang ka na umiyak. You have the courage to be emotional. Some of you merong kontrata na papasukin, agreement. This can be a business contract or employer's contract. May agreement. Pwede ring business partnership ito. Meron ditong disappointment from someone. Okay? Some of you disappointed kayo sa isang tao na akala nyo mafulfill niya yung promise niya sa'yo. Pero hindi pala. Oo. Minsan mahirap yon kasi kapag tayo masyado ng umasa, pag nag-expect kasi tayo, mas malaki yung chance na ma-disappoint tayo kapag hindi natupad yung ine-expect natin sa isang tao. So, some of you might experience that from someone, pero sa tingin ko naman, mabilis kang makaka-recover. Lalo na alam mo na may mga bagay na kailangan tanggapin kasi hindi para sa'yo. And merong mga bagay naman talaga na para sa'yo. Na kailangan maging open ka sa idea na yon, maging open ka sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon. That's why you are now starting a new beginning, a new chapter sa buhay mo. A new experience. You are stepping into a new experience. What else for Pisces? Infidelity is in the air. Oh, maari kasing meron sa inyong nagkaroon ng trust issues. May betrayal. Kaya maaring it's kind of painful for you to experience this, pero may mga ganito kasing kailangan natin pagdaanan eh. Kasi siya yung nagiging parang catalyst na Kaya mo siya dapat pagdaanan kasi dito mo marirealize yung worth mo. At pag na-realize mo na yung worth mo, mas mapaplano mo yung future mo, mas magkakaroon ka ng direction. Okay? So, some of you, itong trust issues or betrayal, ito ay catalyst, no? Ito ay, sabihin na nating blessing in disguise sa inyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.